everybody, we're back at it again with another drone video. Once we hit 1,000 subscribers, we'll be doing a giveaway. So please, if you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing. Let's take off. Okay, well that's perfect. Fix the air. Alright, we're gonna do some quick shots. Come on, these flies are terrible. I think there's flies. Stupid flies. Alright. First off, since I'm already recording, man, these flies though, no chill. We're like in the middle of December. We're gonna just check out the atmosphere real quick. Sorry if I'm jittery, these flies have no chill. I don't want to take it around that person. Where am I? Want to get. Oh, oh shit. That was not close at all. Alright, oh shit. Going the wrong way. I couldn't even tell to see which way it was going. Oh my goodness. My adrenaline's pumping. Make sure there's nothing above me. Man, these flies, bro. Nothing above me.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
Look at that beautiful weather, you guys. Beautiful weather. Dude, there's a pool over there. Where's it? Alright, I'm losing reception. beautiful weather. Look at that. You see what I'm wearing? These flies are even out. Man, come on. It's December. It's the middle of December. Why is there still flies? Uh-oh, airplane. I hear it. Let's bring this bad boy down. That's coming down so slow. Any day now. Alright, let's check out these quick shots. Hello. Oh, that feels so good. Oh my god, I'm sweating. Alright, check out these quick shots. Come on, good ball. Alright, quick shots, quick shots, quick shots. Ending recording on the DJI Mavic Mini now. Alright, let's check out these quick shots. Alright. I always forget how to do the quick shots. Okay, let's try to do the droney. Alright. Let's see how dangerous this is. Pretty fry. Where's my hat? Really? Got stickered into my hat. Alright, let's check out some other ones. Okay, that was going way too far. I'm sorry. That was going right to the trees. Look. That was going right to the trees. Ah, that's scary, bro. Alright. Whew, I'm awake, you guys. Alright, we're good.
3, 2, 1.
That was pretty simple. Still trying to have some fun.
Just let it go and don't fall down. I hope you know that my heart is yours.
DJI Mavic Mini, and yo.
I see you've lost your way back home, but I'll take you somewhere alone, so that you can see my heart again and never go. I get you to just stay. You're like a song stuck on replay. Your smile is always in my way. I know you know that you need me. It's not a secret that we keep, so just admit you see me.
Alright, I guess we had our fun here. I almost hit a person. Oh shit, that thing flashed up. Whoa. This thing is so much fun. Alright, we flew it, we came, we conquered.
Man, I'm going over from the start. Gotta take my time, striving to win. But it feels just like I'm having fun. Just like the cleaning, we clear the crowd. From anybody trying to take my crown and knock you down, you know, gotcha.
Whoa, I didn't see that pole there.
You turn around, I can see the light. At the end of the tunnel, by the drum, a bomb on your head. And it feels like thunder. And now it's gone till December. Putting over time, life is on the line. Running for your life, always having mine. Money on my mind, you think just a nine. Wanna shout on my
Oh, there's a tree. Hello.
Just before I go, I bring my kingdom back. Niggas asking why you never gonna cut us slack. I've been too bad, I think I need a climax. Here we go now, here we go now.
Alright, I better stop wilding. I better stop wilding before I break this thing. Whoa. There we go. Alright, you guys, that's it for this video. My camera overheated, so I guess I'm talking in this one now. Please, you guys, once we hit 1,000 subscribers, we'll be doing a giveaway, so please subscribe if you haven't already. And also, too, comment below and hit the alerts button so you don't miss a thing. Alright, you guys, we love you guys. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace, love, and happiness.
And it may be true, 'cause we don't get a chance.
Landing.